afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past question number 24. And the simple instruction here says that we should look out for the option that best interprets the given sentence. And the given sentence here says the game was tough. The game was tough. The game was tough, but our team lost by whisker. But the correct pronunciation is whisker. This is for number 12. Whisker. The game was tough, but our team lost by whisker. And when something is lost by whisker, it means nearly. Whisker means nearly. It's a figurative. It's a figurative statement. Figurative statement. So when something is lost or escaped by whisker, it means that narrow or nearly. So by this, but option A says default, option B say imagine, C not preparing well, D say a narrow margin. So that's why that the match was stopped. Their team, the team concerned here, narrowly lost the match. Maybe it could be a match of 2-3 or 1-0. So narrowly. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.